Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you some promo codes and discounts on YesStyle website. So guys, follow me in this video. Let's get started. The first website guys that I have is coupon follow, and the website have a lot of coupon codes as you can see here guys on the screen. This is the coupon codes. You can save up to 10 off and you up to 50% and 12% and 10% and 12, and you have this one guys cashback and up to 1.5% of cashback. Just split. If you want to get codes, just click show codes guys as you can see here, and click copy or just click redeem at YesStyle. This is the website, first website. The third website guys, second website that I have, it's relatively not. This is good website. You can up to 25% and 70% guys. This is a huge coupon codes and discount with free shipping. Just show 80 users today guys. This is the number of user this code. And the last website, Reddit guys. Reddit, you have a lot of coupon codes. This is the discount you can use on Reddit. Just search for coupon codes from Reddit. You can find a lot of coupon codes. So guys, this is my coupon codes for this video. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. And you can use this discount from the website guys, official website here, as you can see here, up to 25% discount. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon.